In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Copilot Pro for PowerPoint. To get started, open PowerPoint and either choose an existing presentation or create a brand new one. This gives Copilot a place to work, whether you want help improving slides you already have or generating something new from scratch. If you're starting with an older presentation, it can be helpful to quickly scan through it first so you already have a clear idea of what you want Copilot to help with. Once your presentation is open, look for the Copilot button in PowerPoint and click on it. When you do, a Copilot chat panel will open on the right-hand side of the screen. This panel is where you'll interact with the tool. Think of it as your built-in assistant for creating, rewriting, and refining presentation content without having to leave PowerPoint. After the chat panel appears, click into the chat box and type what you'd like Copilot to create or edit. You can be as simple or as specific as you want here. For example, you might ask it to create content for a slide, rewrite existing text to sound more professional, or help organize information more clearly. In general, the clearer your request is, the more useful the result will be. When your prompt is ready, click the send button. At this point, Copilot may need a moment to gather information from your presentation before it can create or edit content. That's completely normal, so just give it a few seconds to finish processing. Once it's done, review the response in the chat panel carefully. Copilot will typically explain what it created or what changes it made, which makes it easier to understand the result before moving on. If the output looks good, you can continue working from there. If you want to make adjustments, you can simply send another prompt with more direction. This is one of the best parts of using Copilot in PowerPoint. You can refine the presentation step by step instead of trying to get everything perfect in one request. Small follow-up prompts often work really well when you want to improve tone, clarity, or structure. And that's it. Once you know where to find Copilot and how to prompt it, using Copilot Pro for PowerPoint becomes a very quick and practical way to create and edit presentations more efficiently.